Why do millions of Huawei users install Google Play Store? Because it's super easy and opens up a world of apps. First things first, we need to enable installing from unknown sources. Head over to your Huawei device's settings, find security, and switch on install from unknown sources. Easy, right? Next, download the necessary APK files: Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Google Services Framework. Use a trusted source like appmirror.com. Once downloaded, install each APK file one after another, following the on-screen instructions. When you're done, open the Google Play Store app and log in with your Google account. Boom! You're ready to explore. Prefer an alternative method? Try using the Gbox app. Download Gbox from the Huawei App Gallery, launch it, and set up a virtual environment. Within Gbox, download and install the Google Play Store and log in with your Google account. That's it. Now you can enjoy all your favorite apps on your Huawei device.